Okay, Divya, now we are proceeding to QCAT topic, that is part 2 of IELTS speaking test. Okay, here I'll give you a topic with sub questions and you will be given 1 minute for the preparation. Try to only make notes at this time, short notes, don't write too much. And then you have to speak on this for 2 minutes. Take care that in this 2 minutes, till 1.5 minute, you are able to cover all the three questions and you are on third question when you are at 1.5 minute. Okay, so we'll start with the QCAT. The topic is describe a city that you think is very interesting. First question, where it is. Second, what is it famous for? Third, how do you know this city? And fourth, explain why you think it is very interesting. So your 1 minute starts. Prepare, then I'll ask you. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, as we all know that India is full of different diversities, like different culture, different people of different transitions can be seen here. I'm basically from Delhi, although I'm living in Hisar. I loved it when it comes to when it comes part to my favorite one. I do like Hisar city because Hisar is a city which is famous for its own culture, its own tradition. Like here, the first thing which was unbelievable for me, like the fruit strawberry was being produced in Hisar, and I'm very fond of it. Earlier, when I would in my childhood, when I was very younger, I used to eat strawberry very much. In the nearby states or in nearby cities of Hisar, it is little bit costlier, cost a little bit high of cost as compared to Hisar. So these some more features and some more things which were being unbelievable and which were being created to the history of Hisar makes me attached and makes me feel that makes me encourages to know about the history and the culture of Hisar. So when it comes to the part for the famous things, so here are so many medical facilities and education facilities around all the cities or around all the villages nearby the Hisar. Hisar is the one city which is full of medical awareness and education awareness. There we can see 32 medical dispensaries and hospitals are there in Hisar. And here the biggest university of agriculture in North Asia can be seen. It is being built. It is from HEU, we can say. Basically I'm from Delhi and I'm living in Hisar due to my professional to be overcome to be have growth in my professional career. I'm working here as a HR in Dream Jobs. It is a company of recruitment field. So this how I'm able to get about I am this how I'm able to get to know about the beauty of Hisar and about the culture and tradition of Hisar. I love it very much because its streets are full of joy because vendors are roaming here and there full of street food, even though this cannot be seen in the capital of India, in Delhi also, in Mumbai also. Such love cannot be seen in the people here. Small city contains so much love in it, so I love it. And the most interesting part for Hisar city is that people of different religion, people of different language are being stated. So many big plants are also here, like Jindal and like Allen. Like so many educational things are there. So many big plants are also here. We are having different industrial area, educational area. So these all things are full of like interesting facts. So this how I love Hisar city so much.
Okay, Divya, it was overall very good. You have lot of good vocabulary with you, and you had the content also. But again, you stretched it a little bit more. Again, you have to be concise. You have to take care of the time. You have to be careful that in 2 minutes you are able to cover this. है ना? Good vocabulary, good content. This time you were having a lot of information about your that city which you were talking about. You can say that Hisar is an educational hub. You were saying that there are a lot of educational institutions. You could have used the word it is an educational hub, and it is also known as Jindal city because Jindal JSL plant is located here, which is one of the top steel plants all over the world. Okay, and you can say as you were saying, although I am a resident of Delhi, Hisar is more close to my heart. So this is a good one. Hisar is more close to my heart. There was some occasional grammatical error which you need to work upon. Yeah, that was great that you didn't use any Hindi word here, matlab and to, and so that was great from your part. So overall, it was nice. You tried your best. Try to be more concise and keep on adding more idioms and vocabulary to your answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.